Welcome to Tech Brothers with Amir. In this video, we are going to learn how to check default character set and collation of a MySQL server by using Workbench. So let's connect to the Windows machine where we have installed the Workbench. Open the Workbench and connect to the server for which you would like to see the collation and character set. In my case, I'm going to connect to one of my Linux server where I have installed MySQL, and you can see my server status right here is running. Everything looks good. Now what I need to do, I need to go to the status and system variables. So I'm in the management panel here. So this is navigator, and under the navigator you have management, and in the management you have status and system variable. You click there, and then you have two type of variables here, status and system. As we would like to check for system, we are going to go ahead and type a collation, COLL. When I type that part, it show me all those columns where it has a collation in them. So you can see the collation of a connection, you can see the collation of a database, and you can see the collation of a server, and the default collation for UTF-8 MB4 sorry. Now this is the collation your server is using right now, and if you want to change it, we can change it later. I will have another video how to change and reset these values. Right now I just want to show you how to check that. And next thing we would like to check the character set values. So you can see if I type here char, I can see all those different columns or variables which has a character in them. So you can see that let's say we would like to see character set server, okay, or character set system. So if we are checking the server, so it tells us specify default character set UTF-8 MB4. Okay, so this is how you will check different values for your system variables. Come into the Workbench, you will come to the status and system variables, and then just start typing whatever you know, let's say collation or char or even memory, whatever you want to type it. It will filter those variables here and show you the values. Thanks very much for watching this video, and I will see you guys in next video.